Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are making a very simple chicken dish. It's called Methi Chicken. Let me run you through the ingredients first. We have 1 kg of chicken here. We've kept the chicken pieces on the bigger side, but that's not really essential. You can make the pieces as you wish. We also will need some spices here, as you can see. We have turmeric, coriander powder, red chilli powder, Kashmiri, mirch powder, garam masala, Shah jeera, Kasuri Methi, bay leaf, some homemade garam masala, and some salt. The exact quantities are provided in the description box. Please do have a look. We'll also need additionally around 4 tablespoons of full-fat yogurt, 2 medium-sized onions, 1 medium-sized tomato, around 7 to 8 green chilies, some extra cloves of garlic. Here we've taken around 7 cloves of garlic and 1.5 inches of ginger. We'll need to first make a paste using the onion, the ginger garlic, and the green chilies. We'll only use 2 green chilies for the paste. The remaining we are going to use during the cooking process. Let's get started. The first step here, guys, would be to marinate the chicken. So just add the full fat yogurt into the chicken. So let's get started, guys. So we've taken a wok here. To that we've added 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and now to that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee. The oil and the ghee mixture has now heated up, guys. We've kept the flame at medium. We're now going to add the whole spices, cinnamon, bay leaf, the Shah jeera, cloves, and the cardamom. Just give everything. We're now getting a nice aroma of the whole spices, and so this is a nice time to add in the paste that we'd made. Just reminding you, this is ginger, garlic, chili, and onion paste. Mix everything nicely. We're going to continue to cook this till the raw smell of the paste disappears and the oil is released from the sides. Maintain the flame at medium. So after 10 minutes, guys, the color has changed, the raw smell has completely disappeared. It's just started releasing a bit of oil. At this stage, we're going to add in the ground spices. You can add everything together, and then mix everything well. Continue braising the mixture well. You can also add a little bit of water, and that's going to prevent the spices from getting burnt. After 2 minutes, guys, you can add in the tomato paste. Remember, we'd taken 1 tomato, we've just made a paste out of it. And this would also be a nice time to add some salt, and then continue braising the entire mixture. After about 2 to 3 minutes, the tomatoes are cooked, the spices are cooked nicely, and for the oil is being released, as you can see. This would be a nice time to add in the chicken. As you can see, guys, the chicken and the spices have been mixed nicely. At this stage, we are going to cover it with a lid and cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, guys, the water has released from the yogurt and the chicken is half cooked. This would be a nice time to add the Kasuri Methi and mix everything well. The chicken is now completely cooked, guys, so we are just going to add a pinch of our homemade garam masala, and we're also going to add green chilies. Note that we've just put the green chilies whole. They're just going to add some flavor and not make the dish any hotter. So that's the advantage there. At this stage, we're going to cover it back with a lid and keep cooking it for around 3 to 4 minutes further. And there you have it, guys. The dish is now ready. We are just going to set it aside for 10 minutes before serving. And there you have it, guys. The methi chicken is now completely ready. It looks smashing, smells brilliant, and we are pretty sure it's going to taste amazing as well. Enjoy!